Hi, I'm Clarice and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's question is about Instagram. Should you be running Instagram ads for your business, your e-commerce business, like your Shopify store in 2020? Should you be running Instagram ads for your business, your e-commerce business, like your Shopify store in 2020? This is something you should definitely be doing. So Instagram ads are especially useful if you're running an e-commerce store for fashion or anything that belongs to the retail department. It's a very good place to be because people who are on Instagram, they are discovering new things, they get inspired by images, products. So that's a good way for you to get their attention. And one of the biggest reasons why you should be running Instagram ads is because the reach on Instagram platform is shrinking. If you recall back in the Facebook days, people don't do Facebook advertising. That was when there was a certain number of business, and anyone who goes onto the platform is quite likely to see your business. But now we are going to 2020, Instagram platform is getting rather saturated. So we are seeing now more ads in your main feed on Instagram posts. You're getting to see at least one advert every 2 posts, 2 organic posts or so. For stories, I'm seeing a gradual uptake of ads. There are not too many ads yet, but I foresee as more and more businesses get onto the Instagram platform, it's going to be really competitive. If you want to get to make sure that the content or the stories you're putting out always gets your audience attention, then you definitely have to start planning some Instagram ad budget for that. So think about it as part of your Instagram marketing strategy in 2020, especially if you're running like an e-commerce store. If you are having high price items, running ads is good. But if your items are something that costs with less than 100, you might want to think about whether it will be profitable for yourself to do that. So one of the things that I want to remind you guys is Instagram is just another social media platform. It's also owned by Facebook, by the way. And the thing about the social media platforms is being in front of the audience becomes slightly random and the chances become lower because it's not your platform. So you'll be subjected always to the algorithm changes. So what I would strongly recommend is if you're running ads, whether it is stories ads or the post ads itself, get them on your email list as far as possible. Get their contacts. So in this case, if you have certain products that you want to sell, you can send it directly to their email address. Don't let yourself be in the control of Facebook. So going down the road in 2020 itself, the reach is going to dwindle. So if you want to make sure you are in control of your sales and you're going to get more customers to buy again and again from you, get their contacts. So what do you think about Instagram marketing in 2020? Have you planned for your budget yet? Let me know in the comments below what questions you have about Instagram marketing and I can answer them in my next video. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. I have this really great blog post that's on my website, very comprehensive on how you can use hashtags as well to grow your organic reach on Instagram. Do check it out. I've left it in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.